Question number 29 of test series 1 is from Geotechnical Engineering from topic Foundation Engineering and belongs to chapter Pile Foundation. In this question, it is given that we have square pile group having number of piles equal to 25 with alpha, that is mobilization factor, as 0.6. Value of cohesion is given as 20 kilonewton per meter square, and it is asked in the question that what is optimum spacing for such pile group. Now for optimum spacing between two piles, group capacity, it must be equal to individual pile capacity. And the reason being for this group capacity to be equal to individual pile capacity is that because we take Q ultimate, that value which is lowest of these two values. So if these two values are equal, that is the most optimum situation possible. Now it is given that B can be calculated as 4 into S plus D, where S is center to center spacing between two piles, D is diameter of each pile. So Q will be given by 4 times 4S plus D multiply by C multiply by L. So this is one equation for group action. For individual action, we have Q is equal to number of piles multiply by pi multiply by D multiply by L, which accounts for surface area of pile, multiply by alpha is mobilization factor, multiply by C. So this is equal to 25. Alpha is given as 0.6 into pi into D into L into C. C is also given as 20. Equating 1 and 2, we have 4 into 4S plus D into C into L equal to 25 into pi into D into L multiply by 0.6 into 20, which comes out to be 16S is equal to 26.159 into D. Therefore, S comes out to be 1.63 D. So A is the correct answer, that S is equal to 1.63 into D.